Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Mavis from Hotel Transylvania on Dress to Impress. Obviously, this isn't the exact replica. I added some fishnets, but let's get started with the video. I used one VIP item. You don't really need it. Grab this hair in black, grab this hair in black as well. In the short toggle, position the Z to 0.54, rotate the X to 0.52, and scale it to 0.53. Grab these lashes from the code section in the 9th toggle. Position the Y to 0.51, Z 0.46, rotate the Z to 0.75 and scale to 0.48 for the lashes, bottom lashes. Grab this turtleneck and color it black, and grab this shirt. Where is it? Oh, I'm so slow. Grab the shirt in no toggles, and then I'm just going to grab this in the no feet in thick, and I'll do the 4th toggle here, and I also use these socks in high stripe socks, colored it black and red. Then I also use these fishnets here in the thick toggle, and then I'm going to also use these gloves here with no fur on the 3rd toggle in this brown color-ish. Let's do this one, that's fine. 28201A. And then for the skirt part, I guess you can use this in black. And then use these shoes as well here. In the... oh, why did I... okay, turn off the feet toggle here. Then the shoes are red, so I'm just going to just color everything red here, like so. And that is pretty much it. Super simple, easy, and cute, and you don't need VIP for this. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.